So we have to solve it. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We have to find the value of x and y from this equation. This appeared to be tough. Yes. But I will explain that. You feel that this question is tough because there is root 3, root 2 like that. But listen carefully. Look at equation number 1. The substitution method is, first of all, we select one of the equation, say equation number 1. Let me take one of the term to the other side. Let me take one of the term to the other side. The equation 1 becomes root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. The method is same. The method is same. Listen carefully. The substitution method is like this. Select any of the equation and arrange the selected equation. Arrange the selected equation. I have selected first one. Just arrange it. Take unto the right side. Root 2x equal to minus root 3y. Now I can take this root 2 to the other side. Is there any problem? No, no mistake. Can I take this root 2 to the other side? Yes. So x equal to minus root 3 divided by. This root 2 becomes divided by root 2 in the other side. It's very simple, right? Root 2 go to the other side. X equal to minus root 3y by root 2. So I want either x equal to or y equal to. I will substitute in the other one. Okay. I got y equal to 0. Now I am substituting y equal to 0 in which equation? We have already got one equation. Look at this. Look at this. So let me put y equal to 0 in this equation. I will get the value of x. Correct. So what is the value of x then? X equal to, use this, minus root 3 by root 2 into y. Into y. Y 0. Hence x equal to 0. So this is the substitution method. In substitution method, you have to select one of the equation. Normally we select one. Okay, anyway, one of the equation to be selected and it is to be arranged. It is to be arranged. Either form x equal to something or y equal to. Substitute in the other one. This is the way. You please do this problem right now. I will wait for 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to complete. Question. By substitution method we have to solve it. Solve by substitution method. How to solve by substitution method? Select any of the equation. The simplest one should be selected. We have two equations. Among this first and second, which one is the simplest? Which one has the simplest look? The second one is appear to be simple compared to first. Take one of the equation. It can be 1 or it can be 2. Anything you select. The second one is appear to be simple equation compared to first one. Now let us consider second equation. Do the rearrangement like this. The y by 2. Let the y by 2 go to the other side. Okay. Let y by 2 go to the, or you may do the cross multiplication. Anyway, let me do one thing. The simplification is possible. Let me do the cross multiplication. I can remove the fraction at least. I can remove the fraction at least from the second one. Cross multiplication, x into 2 will be 2x. X into 2 will be 2x plus 3 into y. Denominator 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. Right side is 13 by 6. So I did the cross multiplication. 2x plus 3y by 6. 6 cancel both sides. Are you okay? Clear? So the second equation becomes 2x plus 3y equal to 30. I want either x equal to or y equal to form, right? Okay, so rearranging, what we get, 2x equal to 13 minus 3y. Arrange it. 3y go to the other side, 2x equal to 13 minus 3y. Or x equal to, what is x now? 2 go to the other side. 2 go to the other side, x equal to what? 13 minus 3y by 2. Now, from second I got this one. I am going to substitute this in first equation. What I have done, the second equation is just simplified, and I have written it as x equal to 4. This should be substituted to the other equation, the first one, 3 by 2x. Can I read this one as 3 by 2x? Is that okay? Yes, no problem. Or you may simplify this first. Let us try to avoid the fractions. After that you may substitute x equal to. I think that is convenient. I think so. Okay. So let me simplify first. After that I will substitute. Let me avoid the fractions. Let me do the cross multiplication. Okay. Let me do the cross multiplication. 3x into 3. 3x into 3, 9x. Minus 2 into 5y, 10y, divided by 2 into 3, 6, is equal to minus 2. The 6 go to the other side, becomes into 6. Clear? The divide by 6 becomes into 6 in the other side. Try to avoid fraction. Okay. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6 will be minus 2 into 6 will be minus 2. The first one I removed the fractions, but still the fraction will come again. But first of all, simplify this. 9x is there. What is this x? What is this x? X is 13 minus 3y by 2. X is this. 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 2y. 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. We can open the bracket here. 9 into 13. What is that? 9 into 30. 117, correct? 9 into 13 is 117. 117 minus 9 into 3y, 27y. 9 into 3y, 27y. 10y can be written as 10y by 1. Is there any mistake if I write 10y as 10y by 1? No problem. Because I want this cross multiplication. For subtraction or addition of fraction, I prefer cross multiplication. So only 10y is there. 10y is 10y by 1. Okay. So no confusion. So again we have to subtract the two fractions. We have to subtract the two fractions. So we have to do the cross multiplication. 1 into this, cross multiplication. 1 into this term itself. 117 minus 27y. 1 into this, say. 2 into 10y. 2 into 10y, 20y. 2 into 10y will be 20y. All divided by 2. Denominator is 2 into 1. Understood? Clear? Denominator is 2 into 1, 2. And the right side is minus 12. Let me write one more step. 117 minus minus 27y minus 20y. Minus 27 minus 20 will be minus 47y. All divided by 2 is equal to minus 12. Okay. Let me explain the next step. Now I can do the cross multiplication. This 2 go to the other side. 2 go to the other side. Let me write here 117 minus 47y equal to 2 into minus 12 minus 24. The answer may not be a good answer, maybe fractions. It's a tough question. Okay, I did the cross multiplication. 117 minus 47y equal to minus 24. Minus 47y kept in the left hand side. 117 go to the other side. Can you see that? 117 go to the other side because minus 117. Let me do the subtraction. 24 117. 1 minute. 141. The answer may not be a good answer. Minus 47y equal to minus 141. You will get good answer. Y equal to minus 141 divided by minus 47. Minus minus cancel. 141 by 47. You will get good value. Minus 141 by 47 is 3. You can check it. 141 by 47 is 3. I got the value of y as 3. Let me substitute the value of y in which equation? In this equation. Can you see? I want x. We have an equation x equal to this. So I am putting y equal to 3 here. So x equal to 13 minus 3 into 3. 13 minus 3 into 3. 13 minus 3 into 3, 9. Divide by 2. X equal to 4 by 2 or x equal to 2. This is the answer. Solve this question within 3 minutes. I will wait. Don't make any mistake, okay? You have to send me the answer after the class. After the class, you can send me the answer. Okay, you please send it, okay? You please send it. Very, very important. You must solve the solutions. You need practice. You need practice. So let me discuss the next question. Look at this question. The title is there, solved by substitution method. There is a title, solve the following word problems by substitution method. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. It's a very simple question. It's a very simple question. We assume that let the numbers be. There are two numbers, correct? Let the numbers be x and y. You must write this step. There are two numbers whose difference is 26. There are two numbers whose difference is 26. Let us assume that x is the larger one, y is the smaller one. So I can write x minus y as 26. Because the difference is 26. X minus y is 26. One number is 3 times other. Since x is the larger one, x must be 3 times other one. Since x is larger one, the larger minus smaller will be a positive number, right? So x is larger, y is smaller. So difference of the number is 26 and one number is 3 times other. X equal to 3 times y. I got two equations. We have to solve them. It's very simple because the second one, we can directly use the second one and we can substitute in 1. The first equation is x is 3y. So can I substitute x as 3y here? Understood. X is 3y. I am going to substitute x as 3y. The first equation becomes 3y minus y equal to 26. X is replaced by 3y. 2y equal to 26. Y equal to 26 by 2. Or y equal to 30. Y equal to 30. What is x? X equal to 3 into y. 3 into 13. 3 into 13, 39. X equal to 3y. Don't stop here. After that, you have to write the conclusion. The numbers are 13 and 39. The order is not important. These are the two numbers, 13 and 39. Okay. At this question, the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Please note, supplementary. If you don't know, you please write somewhere. Supplementary meaning that the sum of the angle 180 degree. You may write somewhere. Never forget it. Complementary. There is another term, complementary. In that case, the sum of angle will be 90 degree. Don't forget it. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180. The angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So this is a very simple question. Let the two angles be. Let the two angles be. Two angles be x and y, like previous question. Let x be the larger one, y is the smaller one. You have to assume that the one of them is larger, the other one is smaller. Let x be the larger one and y be the smaller one. Let us imagine the larger of the two supplementary angle. So remember, first step must be this, x plus y equal to 180 degree. This must be the first step. Since they are supplementary, x plus y will be 180 degree. Never forget it. In the question, if it is complementary, x plus y will be 90. And the next condition is larger one exceeds the smaller one by 18. The larger one is equal to smaller one plus 18. Understood? Exceeds. What is the meaning of exceeds? Plus. Exceeds means plus. Remember that. Please remember that. Exceeds means plus. Extra. Excess, like that. So exceeds means plus. So the larger one x is 18 more than the smaller one. 18 degree. Clear? 18 degree greater than the other angle. 18 degree greater than the other angle. So the larger one equal to 18 plus the other angle. Equation number 2. Remember, exceeds means plus. Okay. All of it clear? I want to solve x equal to or y equal to is already there. If x equal to or y equal to is already there, you just substitute there in the other equation. X equal to y plus 18. So this x can be replaced by y plus 18. X equal to or y equal to is necessary for substitution method. Here x equal to is already there. Substitute x equal to y plus 18 here. First one. So the first equation reduces to this x is replaced by y plus 18. That x is replaced by y plus 18. Just put a bracket. Plus y is equal to 180. What happens next? Y plus y will be 2y, correct? Y plus y will be 2y. Plus 18 is equal to 180. 2y equal to 180 minus 18. What is that? 180 minus 18. Let me do the subtraction. 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18 will be 162. 2y equal to 162. Or y equal to 162 divided by 2. Or y equal to 81 degree. Y equal to 81 degree. X equal to what? X equal to y plus 18. So y x equal to y plus 18. 81 plus 18. X equal to 99 degree.